In this world full of pressure and competition, we are often told to pursue success, perfection, and recognition from others. But in the process of pursuing these goals, do you feel lost or dissatisfied? Have you ever thought that true happiness and satisfaction may come from learning how to love yourself? This is not only emotional support, but also truly identifying your own value from the bottom of your heart and embracing all your strengths and weaknesses. When you can break through inner obstacles and love yourself unconditionally, you can find true inner peace and strength. All the pain and confusion often come from our misconception of self-worth. When we are bound by external achievements, other people's evaluations, or past pains, we can't see the true value inside. By cultivating self-love, we learn to no longer measure ourselves by external conditions, but return to the fundamentals of the soul, and realize that everyone is unique and has infinite potential and value. The inner obstacle is like an invisible wall that prevents us from seeing our true light. These obstacles may be past traumas, self-criticism, or social values. We should learn to gradually remove these obstacles through introversion and reflection, and let the inner light bloom again. When we can recognize these obstacles and face them bravely, we can break through our own limitations and move towards true freedom and growth. Discover your own value. Everyone has infinite value and potential, and these values do not need external recognition to prove. Every life is precious, and we should learn to appreciate and cherish every aspect of ourselves. When we can fully accept ourselves, including our shortcomings, we can feel a deep sense of peace and satisfaction. Self-love is not selfishness, but a deep inner strength that allows us to remain calm and firm in the face of the challenges of life. By loving ourselves, we have learned how to dialogue with ourselves, how to understand our emotions, and how to find the strength to move forward in difficulties. This kind of power can not only help us overcome the difficulties in front of us, but also let us see hope in the dark and pass on this love and strength to those around us. True peace comes from the heart, not from external achievements or possessions. When we can truly love ourselves and accept our imperfections, we can find a peace that cannot be shaken from within. This kind of calmness allows us to maintain the peace in our hearts in the face of storms in life. Through self-love, we no longer need external recognition to prove our value, but can truly feel the abundance and fulfillment of our hearts. Rebuilding inner trust. Many people gradually lose trust in themselves as they grow up because of external criticism and expectations. They began to doubt their abilities and even deny their value. To rebuild this inner trust, you must first learn to accept everything about yourself, whether it is strengths or weaknesses. When we can fully accept ourselves, we can rebuild our trust in ourselves and find strength in this trust to meet future challenges.